Say no more. Goodbye blocked arteries, high blood pressure and bad cholesterol. The experts warn that high levels of LDL cholesterol can be the main reason for cardiovascular problems, heart disease and heart attacks. And you probably think, I'm 25, I have nothing to worry about. But this is where you're wrong. Yes, it doesn't matter if you are old or young, male or female, all people can have high cholesterol. According to the experts, there are some factors and causes that puts you at a higher risk, such as excessive smoking, poor diet, lack of exercise, obesity, large waist circumference, hypothyroidism, and diabetes. The good thing is that you can control these factors. And the bad thing is that there are some factors that you can't control, like genetics. This risk factor is beyond your control. Don't worry, because we can help you with this problem. We are going to show you how to make the most powerful home remedy to lower your bad cholesterol, cleanse your arteries and regulate your high blood pressure at the same time. This homemade recipe is really amazing, even the medical experts recommend it for people with high cholesterol levels. And, before you try it, you should know that this remedy is loaded with healthy nutrients, which will help you lower the high cholesterol. Cleanse your arteries and it will also help your body fight against many different diseases. And, as we said, it will help you regulate your high blood pressure as well. You will need the following ingredients. 1 kilogram lemon. 1 bag baking soda. 5 or 6 bunches of parsley. 12 cups of water. Directions. Wash the lemons well with cold water. Use a bigger pot and pour warm water into it. Add the baking soda and the lemons. Leave it for 1 hour. Cut the parsley and add it to the mixture. Cook the mixture for 2 to 3 hours on low heat. Store it in a glass jar and keep it in the refrigerator. Consume 4 tablespoons of the mixture every morning on an empty stomach, immediately after you wake up. Note, this remedy lasts for 20 days. Why lemon? First of all, you should know that lemons will help you control your blood pressure because they contain potassium. Lemon juice works great as a diuretic, which means that it helps you stop retaining water and flushes out toxins in your body. It has powerful anti-inflammatory, which means that it can help with problems like arthritis. This super healthy fruit will cleanse your body from all harmful toxins. You just have to mix lemon juice with warm water, and drink it in the morning, immediately after waking up. Lemon juice can fight the free radicals that can cause signs of aging. Just add it to water with some honey if you want. Lemon is loaded with antioxidants, which means that it can help with all of the health consequences of free radicals. Lemons also help with infections in the throat because of the way that it fights bacteria. Why parsley? Parsley is loaded with vitamins, including vitamin C, B12, K and A. It will supercharge your immune system strong, tone your bones and heal the nervous system. Parsley helps flush out excess fluid from the body, hence supporting kidney function. Nevertheless, the herb consists of oxalates, which can cause issues for those with existing kidney and gallbladder problems. Regular use of parsley can assist control your high blood pressure. The folic acid in this herb resembles a tonic for your heart. Parsley important oil, when rubbed into the scalp, may minimize hair loss. If you use parsley every day, it will assist you to alleviate joint discomfort. That's because the herb has anti-inflammatory properties.